Hello everyone, today's lesson is how to do adding and subtracting to fractions with unlike denominators. And we have 4 steps to do these operations like common denominator, rename, add and subtract it. The last one is simplify. Let's start by addition. You can write number 1, 5 over 6 plus 7 over 3. As you see, guys, we have the different denominator. We don't have the common denominator. That's why we have to find the common denominator to do these fractions, to find the result of these fractions. First, we are going to find the LCM to each denominator. Like 6, let's start by 6. 6, what's the least common multiple for 6? You can say 1 times 6, 6, 2 times 6, 12, 3 times 6 is 18. And we are going to do the same for 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. As you see, guys, we found the least common multiple. When you found the least common multiple, you have to stop because we don't need the other result or the other numbers. Now, number 6 is our least common multiple and also will be the common denominator. 6 times what equals 6? 1. You're going to circle around 1. 3 times what equals 6? 2. You are going to circle around 2. You see, guys, now you are going to write the fractions. And 1 times 6, 6. 2 times 3, and write down positive. 2 times 3 also equals 6. As you see, we have this common denominator. We have the same denominator. And then you're going to multiply 1 times 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 7 equals 14. Now, we have the same denominator. Then you can add the numerators and keep the denominator. 5 plus 14 equals 19. That's a simplest form. You know why? Because there's no any common number between 6 and 19. Number 2, but before going to subtract, guys, sometimes students ask about multiply denominators directly to get the common denominator. And let's try to do it and compare the results. Let me clean this part. The same question and the same fraction, 5 over 6 plus 7 over 3. Directly, we are going to multiply the denominators together. 6 times 3 equals 18. And the common denominator will be 18. To both sides, 18. 6 times what equals 18? 3. 3 times what equals 18? 6. And then, guys, also this step, it calls rename, guys. When you find the same denominator and rename, also it means how to get 18 in this question to both denominators. 3 times 6, 18. 6 times 3, 18. And then for numerators, 3 times 5, 15. 6 times 7, 42. And the answer is 15 plus 42 is 57 over 18. And now can you simplify, guys? Yes, of course. Divided by 3 is 6. Divided by 3 is 19. The result also is 19 over 6. As you see, guys, we got the same result, and now both of them are true. Which way is good for you? You can use it. That's all for addition. And let's do the subtraction, guys. Let me clean the circle first. The screen. Clean the screen as a circle. Yeah. 4 over 3 minus 5 over 6. And same steps, guys, for subtract. Just instead of addition, we're gonna do subtraction. Let's find the common denominator for 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Do the same thing for 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. And you see, guys, you found the common multiple, then you can stop. This least common multiple will be our common denominator. 3 times what equals 6, 2. 3 times 6 times what equals 6, 1. And you're gonna write down the denominator first. 2 times 3, 6, minus 1 times 6, 6. You see, you have the same denominator. And 2 times 4 equals 8. 1 times 5 equals 5. Now keep the denominator and subtract the numerators. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Can you simplify, guys, right now? Yes, because 3 is common between 6 and 3. Divided by 3 is 1. Divided by 3 is 2. The result is 1 over 2. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.